Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to do part 2 to a beginner's first ever cigar. So if you haven't already checked out my previous video of a beginner's first ever cigar haul, I highly recommend you check that video out. I will be leaving a link to that video at the end of this video, so make sure you stay till the end. So like I said, today's video is going to be part 2 of a beginner's first ever cigar haul. So in today's haul, I just came back from the shop. I did go to Schwartz Importer. This is here in Chicago. They had great prices and they had everything that I wanted. And so I'm going to show you what I got. So here we go. They went ahead and put in some matches with the order. Here we have a water pillow. And so here are the cigars. So if you did see my previous video, you'll probably notice that I got one of each. And that's something that I didn't really like, because I feel like to really be able to taste a cigar, you definitely need two. The first one is just kind of your introduction, and then the second one is more of that flavor profile. You're able to really pinpoint the flavors a lot easier. And so in this haul, that's kind of what I went for. I went for two. So a cigar that I didn't get in my last haul that I definitely wanted was the San Cristobal. The San Cristobal Elegancia. And so I was able to find it in this particular shop, and I went ahead and got two of those. Both of these are in the Robusto size, and I'm actually really excited to try these. So the next pair is the CLE Chile, and I don't know what about these attracted me to them, but something about them, probably the name. I do have a lot of Connecticut wrapper cigars. I have found that they are pretty mild. So with this, I'm hoping that I do get a little more spice. I have found that the cigars that do have a little bit of spice, I tend to lean towards those a little more. I don't know, I feel like I really like the spice, whether it's any pepper notes. I feel like that's something I've been really enjoying. And so I'm hoping to get something like that with these two cigars. I'm really excited about these as well. Now, another cigar that I actually did have in my first ever cigar haul video is the Arturo Fuente, but the one I smoked was the Chateau. So I did have the Arturo Fuente Chateau, and I do feel that the Chateau was a little bit too much for me, especially as a beginner. So this time around, I went ahead and got these smaller ones. Hopefully these are a much better smoke for me. The Chateau, I just felt like I couldn't finish it, and so I'm excited to try these smaller ones. And then finally, I got a Java Mint. Now, I do believe that these Java Mints are made by Drew Estate, if I'm not mistaken. And when I found that out, I knew I had to try it. You know, just the mint name to it, I'm expecting to have some mint flavor to it, and that's pretty much all I have to say. I'm excited to try this because of the mint flavor. Hopefully it's pronounced, because I am going to be looking for mint flavors to this. It is a much bigger cigar, but I'm really excited. It is pretty pricey, over $10 for this stick. But like I said, I am pretty excited about this one as well. I was going to get two of them, but I'd rather just try it first and see if I even get any mint flavor out of it. But pretty much that's going to wrap up my second cigar haul. If you guys have any suggestions as to what other cigar I should try to get as a beginner smoker, please let me know, because I am looking to try more variety and see what's out there. So if anybody knows any good cigars for beginners, make sure to leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing.